Welcome, welcome. It's Galans Across the Lands. Thanks for tuning in. We're on another road trip. Yay. We are doing all kinds of fun stuff. Heading towards Arizona. Right now, we're passing through the little town of Boulder City, Nevada. We're going to stop by one of the live YouTube cams, and it's in a park. We're really excited to see it because we've been watching this YouTube live cam. It's called the Ram Cam, and it's in Boulder City. This is a cute little historic town right by the Hoover Dam. So that's where we're headed, and we're excited for you to come along. Oh, look, the chicken shack. Yeah, there's all kinds of fun stuff. There's horses. Look at the big roosters. Look at all those things. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can get a good look at those little people things. Cool. Next stop is going to be the park. Yay.
Sheep.
Watch for sheep. Yeah. Oh, I'm videotaping the entrance here to the Ram Park. Ram Cam. Live stream park. Wow, I didn't realize. When you watch on TV, you don't get the wide angle. It's beautiful here. This is really pretty.
That's where we're going into.
Okay.
That's where the Rams hang out.
Oh, nice. Hopefully we get to see some rams today. And there's beautiful Lake Mead right over there. We're going to get a picture of that. Wow, check it out. We made it to Boulder City Ram Cam Park. Look at how green and beautiful. It's a little storyboard. Yeah. Look at that. Majestic and social sheep, which can live into their late teens, vary in body and horn size. Males are called rams, females are called ewes. Ew.
Ewes?
Ewes. Adult rams may weigh between 140 to 200 pounds. Wow, females weigh 90 to 150. So cool, they come right out here. And here's little benches and stuff. I wasn't showing you the view, I was just showing you the grass. Little park for the kiddos. Basketball court. Picnic areas and barbecues. Oh my goodness. Here's another one. It's our Bighorn favorite vacation spot. Look at how cool. We're hoping to get to see some. We see them on the live cam when we're at home. And this park looks so tiny compared to how it looks on the live. Look, can you see that? Oh, you can just feel this breeze. It's amazing here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Today is Friday, April 19th, and we're on our big adventure to Arizona. We're going to make a round trip from here to Williams, heading over to Payson and check out some things for a few days, and then we're going to go to Laughlin for a few days and head back to Pahrump, Nevada. So it's going to be a fun week. We're excited to get started and get out of town for a while. Now we're going to we're going to videotape us on the YouTube channel. So Jeremy's clicked into YouTube on his phone. Now we're going to be like the tourist funny people that we watch and laugh at. Okay? Here we go. There's the camera right up there. So now we're waving to ourselves. Oh, yeah, because it looks like it's way high up. So I think it is that way over there.
I can see a rock here in the left.
Oh.
In the background. The rocks.
Oh, yeah. You can see us, though? Cool. That's so fun. Anywho, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned because we got a lot more to show you. decided we're going to stay here for a little while, have some lunch at the Coffee Cup. Coffee Cup Cantina. Wow.
There's no parking, so.
We're going to have to drive around and find some parking.
There's one.
Super fun. It's the world famous Coffee Cup. Oh, they got pizza too. Cool. Keep going down.
That's a good place to eat.
Is it? Southwest Diner looks good. The brand new Best Western. El Rancho Boulder Motel.
Pool right there.
Oh, nice big pool. That'll be nice when it gets to be 117.
Yeah.
Here's a beautiful park right here. Frank T. Crow Park. Beautiful grass. Beer zombies. Boulder City. Okay. And over here is all the little eateries and fun stuff. And the world famous Coffee Cup where we just had food.
Really yummy.
Yeah, so good. So
Priced.
good. Price
Cheaper than McDonald's.
very reasonably priced. Yep. Super fun. All right, we are on our way to Williams now. Talk soon.